The backset refers to the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the lock body hole. There are two common standard sizes for the backset, 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. This video shows you how to easily determine the backset size with an American dollar bill. Crease the bill at the end of the E in the word $1. Align the crease with the end of the door. If the dollar bill ends in the middle of the door handle or hole, then your backset is 2 3/8. If it is too short from the center, then your backset is 2 3/4. You can also fold the dollar bill where the letter D begins to curve. The distance between the end of the bill and this crease is 2 3/4. Using these two fold lines, you can compare and determine what your backset size is.